Press search button. Enter DWO4. Press search button. Choose silica. Choose DWO4474, 8, 10. Check if the original key can work well. Press Menu and Info button to know the basic information. This key is guided by shoulder. Press Decode button to enter the decoding page. Use stopper to guide the key shoulder position. Fix the original key on car key clamp. Press Decode to start decoding. Take away the original key and fix the key blank on the clamp. Press Cut. Press Speed button and choose Normal Resolution button. Press Cut button to start cutting. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works or not.